This tutorial video shows how to manage your billing profiles in your SSL.com account. You will learn how to create one or more billing profiles, choose your default billing profile, and delete an unwanted billing profile. The process begins by logging in to your SSL.com account. Click Dashboard from the top menu. Scroll down to the Billing and Purchase section and click the Manage Billing. Click the Add New Billing Profile button. Fill out the fields in the Billing Information section. Fill out the fields in the Credit Card Information section. Click the Submit button. Your billing profile is now successfully added to your SSL.com account, and certain card information will be displayed on your screen for reference. It is possible to create multiple billing profiles in your SSL.com account by clicking the Add New Billing Profile button and repeating the previous instructions. Once the new billing profile is created, you can choose which one to use for your transactions by clicking the Set Default button followed by the OK button. At least one billing profile must exist on your account. The option to delete is only available when multiple billing profiles are saved in an account. In this case, you can select which one to set as default and retain, and delete the unwanted ones.